Ever struggle with stubborn microwave splatters that seem impossible to clean? Here's a game changer. Place a damp sponge in the microwave and heat it for 2 minutes. The steam generated loosens grime, making it a breeze to wipe away. Imagine never having to scrub at dried-on spaghetti sauce again. Just a quick, effortless swipe, and you're done. This unexpected life hack not only saves you time, but also transforms a dreaded chore into a quick task. Try it next time your microwave's a mess and experience the joy of easy cleaning.